Howdy guys, this is Mr. Banks with yet another video on harnessing the limitless possibilities online to make legitimate passive income, or to simply know how to get things done easily online. In this video, I will share the 3 basic ways to get started with Forex trading. So if this is the type of video you love, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you would get notifications of new videos. Lastly, please like this video so more people can see it and be empowered with this information. Let's go into it. Alright guys, so welcome back. As I mentioned earlier, this video is going to show you how to get started with Forex trading. So I'm not going to waste much time here, so let's jump on it. Time is money, of course. So number 1, to get started with Forex trading is to learn the basics of Forex trading. All right, how best can you do this other than to watch videos of people who are already profitable in trading? Of course, they will show you how to get started with it in terms of teaching you the fundamentals of trading, starting with learning the terms of Forex, like currency pairs. You're going to learn trend lines, you're going to learn time frames, you're going to learn candlestick patterns. You're going to learn that the trend is your friend. All right, especially when you're looking at a time frame. Is it a 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 4 hours time frame, daily time frame? All right, so all of this you're going to learn, and you're going to learn the support zone, the resistance zone. You're going to learn when to buy, when to sell. So these are the basic fundamental things that you need to learn. So let's jump on something right now, because if you go to YouTube and type in Forex trading for beginners, you're going to see loads of videos that will help you get started, especially learn the fundamentals of trading, because you need to. It might be a bit cumbersome and a bit confusing when you start, but I tell you, as you watch 2, 3, 4 videos, you begin to understand how simple Forex trading is, especially with understanding the technical terms that are used in Forex trading. All right, so there are loads of videos on YouTube to help you learn everything you need to learn about Forex trading and have a good understanding of it. All right, so that is the first thing. Then the other thing that you need to do to learn the basics is to join a Forex community. All right, you need to join a Forex community, maybe on Telegram, on WhatsApp. That way that you get to they exchange messages and tips, trends, current information and news on Forex trading. This helps you to stay in the loop. All right, the other way is to register with a Forex Academy. I would suggest that you register with this Forex Academy, Happy Forex Trading Academy. They have their offices, I think, in 3 locations in Lagos. 2 locations in Lagos and 1 in Abuja. All right, so you can go to their website and then you register with them. The link will be in the description. So these are the ways to learn the basics of trading. And when you are solid enough, when I mean solid, not necessarily a professional, but you've gotten to the level where you have a good grasp of what Forex trading is, and you're ready to try your hands out, then we'll move to number 2, which is to create a trading account. So you need to create a trading account. Why? Because you need a broker that would help you fund your account, make withdrawals, a broker that will help you trade. All right, in the Forex market. You can't do it by yourself, so you need a middleman, and that is where a broker comes in. For a broker, I would recommend the one I currently use, which is xoxo right here. So xoxo is the broker that I use, and they are quite awesome so far. All right, so the link to register there is in the description, so go there, click it and register with xoxo, and then you can get started. I did a video on how to create an account on xoxo. The video is dedicated to that, so go look that up and watch that video. It will take you through the steps to create a trading account on XNext, and then you are ready. All right, so once we are done with this step, you move to the next step, which is to practice trading using a demo account. Why is this important? I would not advise you to jump right inside after creating a trading account to trade with your real money. All right, to just fund your account and start trading, even if it's $5, $10. Of course, the least is actually $10. So but then it is money. All right, and you don't want to just risk it. So you want to learn with virtual money, on real money. First of all, trading in the real market with money that is not yours. That is on real money. You can't withdraw that money no matter the amount of profit you make. So you need to try your hands out and see how solid you are in terms of making profit. And then when you realize that you're ready to create a real account, you just go ahead and do that now. So you need to practice trading using a demo account. Now let me show you something quick. All right, so this is XNext. Let me try to register, signing into my account, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's try to get in. All right, so I click on continue, and then let's see what happens. All right, so that's it right there. All right, so you can see $1,428 is actually on my demo account. That is what I've been using to trade. Now let me show you something. You click on trade, it can take you to the XNext terminal. You might want to use the MT4 MT5, that is Meta Trader 4 5. I'm gonna do a video on how to get set up on MetaTrader 4 from XNext. It's actually very simple. So this is a trading view. Like this is actually for this for Euro USD. Why this is for SAU USD. This is USD JPY. Right now this is actually the live trading on it, because today is actually, this is 10:16 p.m. all right, so on a Friday. So this is live trading right here. So I'm going to show you something real quick. This is a history. Just all right, so let me show you something real quick. All right, this is actually my demo account. So this is actually what your demo account is going to look like. All right, this is actually what your demo account is going to look like. Let's see. All right, just 1 minute. All right, so this is closed positions. You can see the last trading I made was yesterday, and I made 105 106 for this trading. You can see it, and right now I have 1,000. So I'm making some profits and losses because I'm just trading with this demo account to try my hands out. And I also have a real account. You can see here that I have my real account is $0 at the moment, as you can see. All right, so you can deposit on real amount for demo. So it's not like but if you want to deposit on real account, you click here. But to top up your demo, you can top up with any amount. I started this account with $500, and I've been able to grow it to this amount. So you can see that in profit I'm actually improving. And with this demo account, of course I've been trying on my real account, but it is very important that you try with a demo account, and then you see how strong you are. Then you can say, hey, I can now have a real account. So to create more demo account is quite simple. You just come here and you click open a new account. It would ask you if you're creating a real account or a demo account. You click here, demo account, and then you scroll down to fill all of this. But it's good, like you see, this is starting balance 500 US. You can actually increase to 1,000, but it is always advisable to use a realistic balance, like $100. See how you can grow $100. All right, because if you're going to be funding the question is, how much will you put in your real account when you're ready? Is it $500? If it's 500, then go ahead and trade with $500. Okay, so basically this is a number 3 step you need to take on how to get started with forex trading. You need to practice trading using a demo account, and when you are okay, you're satisfied, and you've gotten to the level that, hey, I am ready now to trade with a real account, yes, you can go ahead and create a real account, fund it, and then you can start trading with the experience you had with while trading using a demo account. Okay guys, so there you have it, how to get started with forex trading in 2023. Number 1 is to learn the basics. Number 2 is to create a trading account. Number 3 is to practice trading using a demo account. All right guys, there you have it. Please subscribe to this channel, click the subscribe button, and make sure to tap the red icon button so that you'll get notifications of new videos as I upload them. Like this video so more people can see it and be informed about this, and share this video if you love it. And if you're yet to subscribe, like I said, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.